Hello everybody, this is Manish from Reliable Web Guy, and today I will teach you how to add custom icon from ICOMOON in your WordPress website. So the platform we'll be using today is ICOMOON. ICOMOON provide a lot of icons which is premium and which are free. So we'll be trying to use a couple of these free icons in our website. First of all, what you're gonna do is you'll be adding this ICOMOON app, which is at the top right of this website. Click on here. Since I have already visited the site before, so I have removed the default list. So you can add icon from the library. Click on here. So this is the library where you can see list of icon being this is the list of icon you can see and you can add them. So let me select this line icons. Okay, as you can see, the line icon has been generated here. You can select these icon by clicking the icon that you like, or if you like all of these icons and you want to use them, what you're going to do is you need to select one icon, hold shift and left click. As you can see, we have selected 2 rows right now. Try again that. Select an icon, hold shift in your keyboard and left click. As you can see, I have selected 3 rows of icon. So this is the line cons. Let me add one more icon in the list. So let's say, okay, I have already added this. You can see tick mark here. I'll be adding this one, feather icons. So it is, as you can see, this is a very big list of icon. So let me select a couple of these. Let me select this one and this one, and let me select this mobile icon, and let me select this like icon. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So okay, what we're gonna do is click on this menu. We'll be just importing this icon list into this set. So move selection here. Okay, as you can see, these are the couple of icons we have selected earlier from this list. So we do not need this both lists. So I'll be removing this set. So like previous, we'll select an icon, hold shift and left click. As you can see here, I have selected these. Now for these 4, I will just use simple left click. Okay, as you can see, I have selected 52 icon, which I'll be adding in my site, and I will try to utilize this icon throughout my website, or however you want to use these icons. So let's go to generate font. This is the next step. As you can see here, under this menu, we can see all those icons. You can rename these icons according to your need. So let's say instead of saying hard, we can say love. We can rename these love icons, and when you hover this icon, you will get a code like here. So this is how we will be implementing in our site. Moving next. So first of all, let's download these icons. Since make sure you have selected that icon from the previous button. So here is a download. Let me download this icon. Okay, here it is. Let me extract this zip folder. There we go. Inside this list, you can get a cheat sheet. Let me add this up. As you can see, the love icon that we wrote earlier is here. So we'll be, let me open that up. Yeah, here it is. That's it. So in this folder, let's see what we have. Okay, the things we need right now is style CSS. We'll need this font ICOMOON that we have generated earlier, and this select.json. Select.json is like a save file. Like later on, the drawback of this ICOMOON system is like when you're adding a new icon. Let's say you want to add a couple of new icons, then you need to go back and recreate this whole thing from the start. So select.json help us to save the icons that we have already generated before. So later on, like when you go to the ICOMOON and then start creating a new set of icons, you can import the icon from select JSON. So what we're going to do right now is we'll be adding this icon into our list, and we'll be also adding this style.css in our website. So this is the web page that I'll be adding the icon, and I'll also try to add some icon in our menu at the WordPress menu. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I hope you have an access with your cpanel where you can upload the file. So in my case, I'll be uploading my file into my cpanel. So let me create okay, this is my cpanel. Your cpanel might look a little bit different, but it is same how it is. Let me create a folder. There you go, custom icon list. Let me click here, go to uploads, let me upload these fonts. As you can see, it has been uploaded. Let us go back. Okay, this fonts has been uploaded. Let me also upload, sorry, I need to upload one more stuff. Let me add this style.css here. Okay, let us go back. Okay, as you can see, we have style.css and those icons. Let me edit this CSS file and edit. So what you're gonna do is like you need to edit this line of code right now. This is the URL where you have these fonts. So be sure you put the right code here. So let me add these codes which I have already prepared. Let me add this code. Okay, I have as you can see, there is a folder that we created earlier and the font has been added. Let me save this up. Okay, it will not currently it will not work. We need to add some extra work onto the site right now. Let me go to the site, go to if you are familiar with header and footer plugins, or if you are familiar with child menus plugin, you can work on that also. Go to add menu. Let me see if there is one, header and footer. There you go. I like this one, which I usually use a lot. Insert header and footer by WPBeginner. Click on activate. Go to settings, insert settings. So this one I have already added before, so there is already this list. I will also provide this link. This is the same CSS that we have generated earlier, so this link will be here. You'll need to type, obviously you will need to type your CSS path here. Save these. So let's open this up. The demo file. So as you can see here how it is. So you can grab these or you can let's see, get a code. Let me copy this love icon and go to edit. Just paste this icon update, control F5. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, the love icon has been generated here. This is the new custom icon that we just added. So there is a small trick that you can add, like you can do something like a font awesome kind of stuff that you can generate sizes and those kind of stuff. For that, we'll be adding some extra code on in our custom CSS. I'll provide you this CSS code, so it will come handy to you. So first of all, let me copy this code. Let me add this extra line of code here. So this is like the site size of this. Let me save this up. Okay, so what you're gonna do here right now is I have generated this couple of icons. So let me remove this icon H. So first of all, you will need to go to the site. You can see you have generated an icon here. With the help of previous code, what we're gonna do is we'll be increasing this size by just adding this class here. Will be okay. Let me update this. If you reload, we are generating the size of this icon to twice. As you can see, this is a normal icon size and this is twice. So we can do something like that. We can increase the size and those kind of stuff. Let me copy this code, just paste here. So with previous, all you need to do is, like, there are 10 times, so just you need to do is 3x and those kind of stuff here. So we have 3x, so there are 3 icons. As you can see, the 3 icons. We can use this icon styles into our menu also. All you need to do is copy this icon and go to your menu, appearance menu. So you might see here there are a couple of stuff here. So all you need to do is click here and paste on your label, and it will look something like this. Save menu. So this heart icon will be generated in front of the home page right now. So there you go, there is a heart icon. So this is how we will do it. So if you have any question, please let me know, and thank you for watching.